Families across Washington state are discovering accessory dwelling units, ADU, as a housing resource addition that can be placed near an existing home. Whether housing is accommodating an aging parent, family member, tenant, a guest house, or backyard cottage, ADUs are worth your consideration as you plan expanding living spaces. Washington families have found the most affordable way to help loved ones own a home or gain rental income is to add a second house in their own backyard. No wonder many buyers have found manufactured homes are perfect ADUs. These factory-built homes make the most of small spaces and offer high-quality construction with a tremendous variety of floor plans. Better yet, they arrive at the home site virtually complete for less disruption to your backyard and no need to deal with subcontractors. One Washington couple that recently moved into an accessory dwelling unit had their new ADU designed with a customized kitchen, a patio, landscaping, and an accessibility ramp to meet their individualized needs. How do they like it? In their own words, they absolutely love it. We looked at some other houses, but this ADU home was just perfect for our lifestyle. We also didn't want the hassle of building on site, so a manufactured home worked well for us. We couldn't agree more. With an accessory dwelling unit, small living is smart living.